was your girl, your bellissima. If today is the first time of watching my video, please hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment. So today we are coming to prepare very delicious soup. That's Wrewre, or other people also call it melon soup. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have our smoked chicken, cow leg, salmon, everything is smoked. And this one, if I don't know the name of the English name, if you know, let me know. It's echinechin. Our onions, tomatoes, habanero pepper, celery, ginger, garlic, tomato paste, our Wrewre or melon seed, our salt to taste, spices that we are coming to use, and then we have our those natural spices that we have already blended, and then we have our 2 star seed. Let's start. First, we are going to put our cow leg inside our pan, and then chop 1 onions on it. So this is our 1 chopped onions. You add your celery. Let's blend our ginger and then garlic. For about 10 to 15 minutes. After then we add our smoked chicken, then the fish, the 2 aniseed, those natural spices that we have already blended. It's powdered, so we're going to pour it and then add some water on it. Okay, it's set for us to blend it. We are pouring our blended item. Natural spices, that's the ginger and then garlic. Let's raise it a bit. That's what we are going to use it to cook our cow leg. Adding my cube, just 1 star cube. There's another type of cube. The first one is Maggi in this star. Then salt to taste. Cover it and then put it on the fire. So it's time for us to toast our Wrewre or melon seed. They're very low heat. Those 2 cups of melon seed. give it too much of. So let's boil our ginger, tomatoes, and then pepper, habanero pepper. Very healthy soup. If you haven't tried, try it. It's very delicious. Very delicious soup. On it and put it on fire. So this is how our melon seed is. Just look at it, it's turning brown. It has to be a little bit brown, not too burnt. So if you hear the sound ta ta ta, then it means it's ready. You don't have to be too brown. Just you can use your hand to feel it, the heat. It's almost ready. Our Wrewre is ready. We have already washed it. So right now, it's time for us to blend it. Others too don't toast it. They boil it and then blend it. But this time, I toasted it and then wash it. So I'm adding water on it and then blend it. So let's blend. Before blending, let's add our tomato paste into our cow leg. Just about 10 minutes. Look at how the cow leg is. It's cooking gradually. Don't want to waste anything. So I'm using my hand to scrub inside. The aroma alone, we haven't reached anywhere, but you can hear the aroma. Let's leave it for another 5 minutes, then we add our chicken. Let's blend our Wrewre. So guys, we are adding our chicken inside our pot. Smoked chicken. Hello guys, we have strained our Wrewre for 3 times. So we're going to transfer it into our pot and then boil it. Because we added salt, have you seen it? Even the 3rd time, you have a little bit. Look at it. So I'm not going to add this one. Because of the salt that we added on our meat. If you pour it straight away, you are going to get some strong. Don't want that one too. So we are going to cook our Wrewre separately. Then we transfer it to our pot, the big pot with the meat. This one is very good method. Other than that, it's going to be like we're preparing agushi. You know agushi, how it's crumbled. That's how it's going to be if you don't cook your Wrewre separately. That's how it's going to be. I don't want it like we are doing soup, Wrewre soup. So you have to be smoothly. Let's check our meat. Wow, like the scent that it's coming out. So we have already blended our tomatoes and then the habanero pepper and the onion. So we are going to add it straight out. Let's add it. Stir it. Then you add your smoked fish. Stir it. Everything is homemade, eh? I did it. So everything is spicy. Our Wrewre is ready. Let's transfer it. Voila. Look at our soup. So we cover it half, not full. Cover it like this. Then you leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then your soup is ready to enjoy. Try it for me. Hello, my family out there. Our Wrewre soup is ready. We are going to serve it with food as usual. Coming, you are all invited. Soup is ready. If today is the first time of watching me, please and please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Okay, so let's enjoy our food with our Wrewre soup.